Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Best Buy Store Card app, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Best Buy Store Card app on your device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, go to your app store and search for Best Buy Card app. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. On the home screen, find the option to sign in. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you haven't created an account yet, look for the Sign Up option. Follow the prompts to create your new account. You will need to provide personal information such as your name, email address, and social security number. After filling in the required fields, tap Submit to create your account. Once your account is set up, return to the sign-in page. Enter your login credentials again. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check your email or text for the verification code. Input the code in the designated field in the app. Tap Verify to continue. Once authenticated, you will have access to your account dashboard. Here, you can view your account balance, transaction history, and payment options. If you encounter any login issues, double-check your credentials. You can also use the Forgot Password option to reset your password if needed. For added security, consider setting up biometric logins like fingerprint or facial recognition. Explore the app's features to fully utilize your Best Buy Store Card. Now you are successfully authenticated and ready to shop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.